While we really love our big lightboards here at Revolution Lightboards, we totally understand that sometimes you need a versatile product. Something smaller, something that you can fit in a home office or a small classroom, something portable. Well, we have a really great option for you today. This here is our 44-inch tabletop lightboard from Revolution Lightboards. And in case that's still too big, we do have a 34-inch version as well. Now, even though these are smaller, they come with the same great features that you've come to expect from our larger lightboards. They have built-in presenter lights to make sure that your presenter is well illuminated, as well as built-in edge lights to make sure that your fluorescent writings pop on camera. And of course, both of these are fully customizable to make sure that they get exactly to the settings that you really require. All of this in a budget-friendly, space-conscious version. Now, one thing that I find to be really great about a lightboard of this size is a feeling of intimacy that you get with your audience. As you can see here, because the actual lightboard is smaller, the camera has to be closer to the presenter to make sure that you get the lightboard in frame. And because of that closeness, it feels like I'm right across the table from the audience I'm trying to reach. Because of that, you get really increased engagement, that eye-to-eye contact with your students or those people that you're trying to reach. It's a really great side effect of a board of this size, so long as you don't need the real estate of one of our larger boards. Now, we've also built this unit with portability in mind. We want you to be able to take this places. So at the top of the lightboard, as you can see here, we have a built-in handle, and you can see that here from the back as well. This handle allows you to take the lightboard anywhere you need it, as if it were a suitcase. Now, it also doubles here as a microphone stand. So I have my audio gear set up here, so that way it's out of the way and easily mountable on the lightboard itself. Now, because they're portable, they're also easy to get out of the way. So if you need this in a space where it's not going to be permanent, like a home office, for example, just simply take the lightboard from the handle, move it to a safe location, and it's freed up a lot of space in your home office or your classroom. Now, we understand that we have a lot of different models, a lot of different sizes, and you might have some questions about what's going to be best for you. We are here to help. So please email us at info@revolutionlightboards.com, and we'll point you in the right direction and answer any questions that you may have.